Welcome to all. Today, relation between Coulomb and stud Coulomb. Coulomb and stud Coulomb. Let 1 Coulomb is equal to x stud Coulomb. 1 Coulomb is equal to x stud Coulomb. Let us consider 2 unit positive charge or unit charge. 2 unit charge separated between unit distance apart in free space. That means let Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to 1 Coulomb. R is equal to 1 meter. R is equal to 1 meter. In SI unit, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. That is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 1 into 1 by 1 square Newton. That is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. In CGS system, that is equation 1. In CGS system, in free space, F is equal to Q1 Q2 by R square. That is equal to x into x, that is that Coulomb, by CGS in SI, that is 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, 10 to the power 4 sim, that is dyne. So x square, that is equal to x square by 10 to the power 4 dyne. Now we convert dyne into Newton. 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. So 1 dyne is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 5 Newton. That is equal to x square by 10 to the power 9 Newton. So this implies F is equal to x square by 10 to the power 9 Newton. In first equation, F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. In second equation, F is equal to x square by 10 to the power 9 Newton. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we get x square by 10 to the power 9 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. Compare this two. So this implies x square is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 9. So this implies x square is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 the whole square. So this implies x is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9. First, we know 1 coulomb is equal to x dot coulomb. So 1 coulomb is equal to x is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9. So 1 coulomb is equal to x dot coulomb means 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 start coulomb. This is the relation between coulomb and start coulomb. Okay? Electric field. What is electric field? So when an electric field is placed at a point. When an electric field is placed at a point, the properties of the space around the charge get modified. The properties of the space around the charge get modified. The modified space around the electric charge is called electric field. Means, suppose it is a point. A charge is placed Q. So the space around the charge, this is space around the charge in which this force is effective. This force is experienced. So this is the electric field. The force experienced by the charge. So this total space is called electric field. So that is means when an electric field is placed at a point, the properties of the space around the charge get modified. The modified space around an electric charge is called electric field. Okay? Then electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. So what is the electric field intensity? The force experienced by the unit positive charge at that point is called electric field intensity. Means electric field intensity is defined as electric field intensity is defined as electric is defined as the force experienced by the unit positive charge placed at the point. So the force experienced by the unit positive charge. So that means, so electric intensity is a vector quantity. So vector quantity means this intensity having magnitude as well as direction. So what is the expression for the intensity? So intensity means E is equal to F by Q. F by Q. So this is the magnitude. The magnitude E is equal to F by Q. This is the magnitude. So direction along the direction of the motion of the charge. So the motion of the charge gives the direction of the motion of the force. That is the direction of the intensity. Now, what is the unit of intensity? In SI unit, E is equal to F by Q. F by Q. So F by Q means Newton by Coulomb or Newton Coulomb inverse. Number 2. In CGS, ESU system, E is equal to F by Q. That is equal to dyne by start Coulomb or dyne start Coulomb inverse. Now, dyne is the formula of the intensity. Dyne is the formula of intensity. E is equal to F by Q. F is the force. Force is equal to mass versus ma. Q is equal to IT, current into time. So for A, mass, that is m. For A, L by T square. I, A, ampere, time T. So that is equal to ml by TQA. So dimension formula, that is equal to m1 L1 T minus 3 A minus 3. So dimension formula of the intensity is m1 L1 T minus 3 A minus 1. So what are the dimensions? Dimensions are 1, 1, minus 3, minus 1 for mass, length, time, current, respectively in case of intensity. That is all about the dimension formula of the intensity. Now, electric field intensity due to a point charge. Electric intensity due to a point charge. This charge situated at the origin. Let us consider a charge placed at O, that is Q. P is a point at which we can find out the electric field intensity. At that point, a charge, test charge Q is placed. The distance between the two charges R. The coordinate of P is X, Y and Z. Select Q is equal to charge at O, Q0, the state test charge. F is equal to the force experienced. So what is the the force experienced. So the F is equal to, as the distance, so F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 QQ0 by R square. Then what is the intensity? Intensity is equal to F by Q0. F by Q0. So that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 by R square by Q0. So that is, this implies E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. This is the expression for intensity at a with the point charge when the charge situated at the origin. That's all. Thank you.